In Yellowstone National Park, black bears have demonstrated an extraordinary little-known skill, the ability to mimic the howls of wolves. While wolf howling is generally a means for packs to communicate their presence, locate one another, or claim territory, it seems that black bears might be using this vocal mimicry for an entirely different purpose. Researchers believe that these black bears are not howling to communicate with other bears, but to influence the behavior of wolves and possibly other animals in their shared habitat. By sounding like wolves, black bears may be able to alter how other animals perceive the risk of predation in the area, creating an intimidation factor that keeps them safer or reduces competition for resources. The recorded instances of this behavior have fascinated scientists, as vocal mimicry among mammals is relatively rare. Black bears are typically solitary animals, so the notion of them imitating the sounds of other species suggests they possess an ability to learn from and adapt to their surroundings in surprisingly sophisticated ways. Black bears in Yellowstone and other areas with overlapping territories may use this vocal trick to create the illusion of a wolf pack's presence, causing rival predators and prey animals to flee. By pretending to be a larger, more organized group, a solitary bear can effectively guard resources, discourage potential threats, and maintain control over its environment without direct conflict. When heard up close, the bear's howl does sound distinct from that of a wolf, but from a distance, the similarities are close enough to create confusion. Other animals, especially those less familiar with bears' vocalizations, might hear the sound and react as they would to wolves, avoiding areas they believe are occupied by packs. This deterrent effect could prove useful for black bears in areas where food or territory competition is high, allowing them to occupy spaces with a lower likelihood of interference. This behavior also raises intriguing questions about the cognitive abilities of black bears. Although they are often considered less socially complex than wolves, whose group dynamics are intricate and highly communicative, black bears are proving to be highly observant and adaptable. They appear to assess the habits of other animals in their ecosystem, learn from those interactions, and even adopt certain behaviors if it benefits them. Mimicking wolves could indicate that black bears are far more socially intelligent than previously understood, with a capacity for environmental awareness and behavioral flexibility that aids their survival. The implications for researchers are significant, as this form of mimicry may provide insights into how animals learn behaviors from other species. Black bears are typically thought to be motivated by instincts and less influenced by the social learning that characterizes animals like primates or cetaceans. Yet, these observations suggest that bears might be more capable of learning through observation than we realized, developing new behaviors to navigate their surroundings. This newly observed trait in black bears also challenges our assumptions about animal communication. Vocal mimicry has long been documented in species like birds and marine mammals, but it is far rarer in land mammals outside of humans. By imitating the calls of wolves, black bears demonstrate a remarkable adaptability to their habitat, using the tools available to them to enhance their survival. Such discoveries highlight how much remains to be understood about the intelligence and behaviors of animals we may have underestimated.